Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder in DaVinci Resolve 19. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my DaVinci Resolve application here. I love this video editing tool so much. Right, so once you go ahead and open up the DaVinci Resolve 19, guys, you'll be taken here to this window here where you can access your existing projects or create a new projects and so forth. Now, as you can see, I only have the untitled project there, but what if you want to create a folder? It's very easy. You can simply look towards the upper right hand side and you will see the folder with a plus. So if you click on this add folder button here, you can just click on that and you can create a new folder. So I can name this one new test, right? A new test folder, let's call it like that. And just simply click and create. Now once you click and create, you now have your new folder and you can open up that folder and you can add whatever you want in that folder. It means that you can create new projects in that folder and so forth. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create new folders in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.